Best 750 watt mixer grinder. Number 5. Bajaj Classic mixer grinder 750 watt 3 jars. Approx price 3099 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 220 to 240 volts. Number of jars 3. 1.5 liter liquid easing jar, 1 liter dry grinder, 0.3 liter chutney jar. Jar material stainless steel, body material ABS, cord material PVC. Motor warranty 5, product warranty 2 year. Number 4. Preeti Zodiac MG 218 mixer grinder 750 watt 5 jars. Approx price 8884 rupees. India's number 1 mixer grinder brand. 750 watt Vega motor. Speed controls 3 speed. Voltage 230 volts AC 50 Hz. Material of body ABS. Flex cord PVC insulated 3 core. Motor warranty 5 years. Product warranty 2 years. Number 3. Crompton MEO 750 watt mixer grinder. Approx price 3238 rupees. Motor capacity 750 watt. Operating voltage 220 to 240 volts. High quality powerful copper motor. New age maxi grind technology with overload protection. Motor vent X technology for longer life. Anti-skid fit stainless steel 3 jars. Size 0.5 liter, 1 liter and 1.5 liter. Utility blades and flow breaker jar. Number 2. Prestige Iris 750 watt mixer grinder. Approx price 3442 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 230 volts. Revolution 20,000 RPM. Number of jars 4. Jar size wet grinding jar 1.5 liter. Juicer jar 1.5 liter. Dry grinding jar 1 liter. Chutney jar 300 ml. Jar material stainless steel plus juicer jar polycarbonate. Body material ABS plastic. Motor warranty 2 year. Product warranty 2 years. Number 1. Philips HL 775600 mixer grinder 750 watt 3 jars. Approx price 3449 rupees. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 230 volts. Number of jars 3. Jar size wet jar 1.5 liters. Multipurpose jar 1 liter. Chutney jar 0.3 liters. Jar material stainless steel. Body material ABS. Motor warranty 5 years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.